How's it going, everybody? Here for box number 2 of 2015 Triple Threads Baseball. Hopefully we get a good box here. Something number to 9, number to 3, a triple auto, a booklet, a white whale, something. Just want one of those kind of things. Some patches. Oh my god. There we go. Alright. Okay. Looks pretty standard, I guess. Alright. These ones seem to have less air in them, but I don't really think that means anything. Alright, I think I opened this one first, so let's just do it the way I opened the mini boxes. Alright, nice card on the back. Anything out of the usual in there? Not that I can notice. Kris Bryant. Oh man, there we go. We got a Kris Bryant sighting. Alright. 94 of 99. Nice parallel. Got a Babe Ruth. That's a really nice parallel box. 94 of 99. Kris Bryant. Numbered 76 of 250. Babe Ruth. Wade Boggs in a Devil Rays uniform. That's unique. Edwin Encarnacion. David Peralta. We'll save that one, I think, for last. Let's do the back. Yasmani Tomas. 30 of 36. Just a standard jersey. Show the back. Okay. And what do we have here? Nice! Oh man. Whew, that's already better than the last box. Mark McGwire autograph. Oakland A's. Auto relic numbered 8 of 18. That is sweet. No patch in there, but there you go. Wow, first Mark McGwire auto. It is sticker, but dang, that's nice. That is sweet. Sweet. And what did it say in there? Big Star Mac. There you go. Alright, that's a beauty. That's a beauty. You know, let's... No, yeah, let's do that. Put it in the top. Sleeved, right there. There we go. Alright. Woo, that is nice. Alright, let's see if we can get an encore in the next one. Alright. Another Jose Abreu, looks like. Do we have a triple auto or white whale? It's possible. I don't think we do. Alright. Carlos Gonzalez, Cargo. Number to 125, 77. There we go. Jose Abreu, numbered 87 of 354. Troy Tulowitzki. Yo, Dono Ventura. Look at him puckering up there. And Warren Spahn. Alright. I don't know. What should we do first? Let's do the back. Oh yeah, it's a triple, so let's do the back. Looks like it's triple Giants. Yep, 1, 2, 3 punch. Madison Bumgarner, Matt Cain, and Tim Hudson. Numbered 6 of 27. Let's keep that down there. There you go. It's kind of hard to focus in on that. It's really, really colorful. A little dim, a little bit more colorful than, it's not that bright. There we go. Alright. And the last card here. Looks like it's green. Can we get the numbering? It's a Boston Red Sox. I'm gonna get Brock Holt. It's Daniel Nava. Alright. Number 1 of 50. There we go. Daniel Nava. He's got a little, I guess that says Phil 413. I don't know what verse that is, but alright. There we go. Auto relic. But I'm happy with this box. That Mark McGwire, we gotta take a look at it again. That is nice. Alright, so there you have it with my Triple Threads box breaks. I will do more of these in the future. For sure. So, there you have it. Let me know what you thought of the box down below in the comments. Peace out.